That is right. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again, and welcome to the third episode of the RenoTalk Show with me, your host, Mr. Zeno, who happens to be the editor at Renotalk.com as well. So, anyway, thank you for joining us once again. Our first episode saw us, our inaugural episode saw us, and telling you more about what RenoTalk Show is all about. Our second episode on our second episode on last Thursday. Tell us about more on choosing a dream house. We have received lots of comments and suggestions. Thank you so much for them. We will try to answer your comments and your suggestion as time goes by. Hopefully, by the next episode, we'll be able to answer some of your queries and questions. Thank you so much once again. Just want to reiterate that. Just want to share that the RenoTalk Show happens every Tuesday and Thursday from 6:18 to it's just about 15 to not more than 15 minutes long this show, where this show will share with you on and everything about renovation. And let's move on. On today's episode, we are yes, it's a different look today. I got my blazer on, and I think this cap was I wear it at the last episode. Same cap lah. It happens to be that today is this cap day lah. So what I do is I have like lots of caps, so I wear like every different cap one a day. So today's episode is all about choosing your perfect countertop. If we talk about kitchen island, so the name countertop will come into mind. And we're gonna showcase a certain company, a particular company by the name of Stone Amperor, spelled as in STONE space AMPEROR. For those of you who have heard them before, since this is live, you guys might want to check out their page. It's at www.stoneamperor.com.sg. So this is their website. Yep, as you can guess it, it's all about the countertops today for your kitchen and your bathroom. Without further ado, let's begin. Let me show you myself again. All right, here we go. Now, human technology, right, as we know, has evolved from the dawn of our species to the present day. Arguably, the dominant material has always been stone made. When we talk about stone made, then we gotta talk about stone kind of structure. I have to mention stone kind of structure, such as Stone Age. I don't know whether I pronounce it correctly or not, but so if you guys think that I pronounce it wrongly, yes, comment and tell me how to pronounce it. I know how to pronounce it. Purposely, maybe I pronounce it wrongly. Anyway, so you have to talk about Stone Age when we talk about stone-made technology. It is a wonder in its own right. But the stars of today can be literally found in your kitchen. Yep, our last episode we talked about house, which is the external part of the house. Today, this episode will be the beginning of will be the beginning of talking about the interior part of the house. And we're gonna start with kitchen. So, as I was saying, the stars of today can be found inside your kitchen. And from the timeless natural appeal of granite countertops to the glossy look of marble, and from the seamless solid surface to the ostentatious glitz of quartz, countertops of this time and age produces a temporal beauty, the envy of many and adored by plenty. Okay, so whether you're looking for traditional marble, solid surface, quartz, or granite, I have to mention this company again. Stone Amperor is a place to go. They cover all bases to give you unbiased advice for homeowners like you in choosing your perfect countertop. Of course, budget varies, right? So, go ahead and find out for yourself. But before I go on further to tell you more about countertops and Stone Emperor, I'm just gonna give a shout out once again, or exemplify, no, not exemplify, or to exaggerate, no, not exaggerate, or to showcase, yes, basically showcase RenoTalk's social media presence. So as you know, we have our forum. This is where you can get tons and tons of information about your house and renovation and everything lah. You just go in and see it for yourself. But you got to register though to become to be posting inside this forum. And then we have our IG page We have our Instagram page as well. We have about 7,645 followers. Not a significant growth. Remember the first time I told you how many followers do we have that time? Think about around that figure lah. So yeah, we have increased the post. So yeah, you can check out this social media presence of Renotalk, and you guys want to check out our Facebook page, you guys can search for it as well, and also not forgetting our YouTube page. Moving on. So in the beginning, right, Stone Amperor, they were established in the year 2014 by the current managing director, Jasmine. Jasmine Tan is the name. She has just more a little bit of her. She has a wealth of experience, having started in the marble and granite industry. Supply company back in 2003. Now she noticed that the kitchen countertop industry is a very confusing market, and the setting up of Stone Amperor attempts to draw away homeowners from this confusion, to instead focus on what really matters, which is the choosing of the countertop, like the material and whatnot. Let me share with you the factors to choose when considering a countertop. For example, if you want to choose quartz, right, they might be ideal as they are basically maintenance free. Maintenance free, that means no need to maintain law. Just wipe and clean and that kind of thing, very easy one. And usually comes with a lifetime warranty. On the other hand, yeah, they are a bit costly lah, so it's a bit more expensive compared to other materials lah. We talk about countertop, due to the thickness and brand. Yes, quartz got different brands. What exactly the brands are, no, I'm not going to share that with you right now. If you want to find out more, you can go down to www.stoneamperor.com.sg. Okay, according to Jasmine, the current managing director of Stone Amperor, the most critical criteria will be the quality of the selected countertop. Materials such as marble and granite offers multiple age profiles, and customers will be spoiled for choice, while solid surface and concrete come in a variety of colors, which can be very eye-catching to some. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay, I can't think of a place right now, but if you go to certain places, perhaps one of your rich friends, like you go to their kitchen, right? And you have this like marble looking kind of countertop. So that's a countertop lah. So the quality could either be it could either be quartz or marble or some other thing. So yeah, if you the one that's really I find personally very appealing, right? Quartz lah. You see it and then you understand what I mean. Okay. So what's so special about StoneAmperor.com? Why are they so different from other shops or places that offers this kind of service? So they offer customized solution. Okay, over the years, Stone Amperor has developed to be a one-stop multi-brand countertop supplier. Remember, I told you about the brands, and I'm not going to share with you other brands about the countertop. So it's best that you check it out for yourself. So they offer transparent pricing and buyer's advice. Now, when it comes to advice, when it comes to renovation, right? When it comes to countertops in particular and renovation in general, you need unbiased advice. You need advice that is not hiding anything. You know what I'm trying to say? That is very forefront with you. So you need advice that is what you ask is what you get. You know what I'm trying to say? They're not going to like smoke you or spook you or basically lie to you. So what you need is a proper advice. So you can receive that. You'll be receiving that. You will receive that when you go to Stone Amperor. Okay. Before I go on, I just want to say, sorry, excuse me. Keep your comments and questions coming. For those viewers who just join us from Malaysia, the East and West Malaysia, thank you so much for joining us. This show runs twice weekly, every Tuesday and Thursday at 6:18 p.m. on Renotalk FB page live. We are live actually at Midview City in Singapore. Sponsors, marketeers, or whoever not want to showcase your item or your product here, or your company or your brands, feel free to drop me an email at Renotalk.com. Okay, moving on. Okay, now I'm going to share with you, walk through with you, just briefly on example. Let's choose the household favorite. How a favorite is chosen because of the number of sales that's been made by selling the material. Okay, so the household favorite will be the granite countertop. Now, this material, ranges to the tunes of thousands of dollars. So, yeah, like, remember I asked you, what you ask is what you get. What you have is probably what you get also. So, yeah, my granite ranges from in the tunes of thousands of dollars. Singapore dollars, of course. Prices are quoted per foot run. I gotta ask my, well, I don't really know about foot run because I never buy a countertop, right? Before. So I gotta ask my colleague. His name is Sam. He's our specialist in Renotalk. So I gotta ask him about countertop and that kind of thing. Then he told me that countertops are sold by the foot run. Okay. So this foot run, the prices usually includes labor, delivery, installation, and simple finish to the edges. Yep. Now, other products and services like decorative edge treatments, cut off for sinks and removing and disposing of your old counters, well, they might cost extra. Now, granites are priced according to its grade, and the grades reflect, among other things, the stone's availability, its color, and its distinctiveness. Of course, the more rarer the stone is, I guess the higher the price it will bring. Yes, the price of granite might be pricier compared to other materials, but it is the best return on your kitchen investment. The reason is because they don't need maintenance. I already said that. I already mentioned that earlier. Maintenance free. Can you imagine a countertop that is maintenance free? For those of you who knows about countertops and all that kind of thing, you know what it means when you talk about maintenance, So it is more affordable than wood or steel. Excuse me. Okay. Now next, they have a unique feature, but they have a very pleasant visual appeal. Something which you cannot find in many materials. So granite is one of the materials that you'll be able to find this very pleasant visual appeal. It features accidentally in the most critical area of your home. Saying that doesn't mean granite only have to appear in your kitchen. Of course, you can have like a granite feature wall. Of course, if you can afford it, in other parts of your house. Yep. Okay, moving on. Granite can get its shine with basic cleaning methods. You can just soap and water. You can just use soap and water, and just give it a nice polish, and then come up with this beautiful sheen. You gotta check it out for yourself. Options are endless in varying sizes and designs and different qualities too. So, and they are in fact one of the most common rock found on Earth. So if you are that green loving person, granite is perhaps one of the things that you can choose. I would like to show you the pictures of it but I'm just gonna show you pictures from the Stone Amperor website. Okay. Well, as you can see here, they got different services, they got promotion, and I'm just gonna head over to their product page, and this product page, there's this material called the sensor granite. So you can see how it really exudes not flavor, that holistic, immaculate kind of complete look that it will offer for your kitchen. So as you can see here, if I can I blow it up? No, I can't blow it up now. Let me try to open it into another new tab. Can you see it? I cannot zoom. So yeah, it is that nice if you know what I mean. Okay, and yep, now back to my face. Okay, Stone Amperor, once again, price over the service that they're providing for customers. Well, other than the supplying and installing of an array of countertop materials, they also accept requests for custom-made marble, granite, quartz, and solid surface countertops. So you have the luxury to draw your ideal countertops, just as in basically draw. If you're not good drawing, I can't even draw an apple for, I'm gonna say, I nearly say it, so I nearly say a bad word, so if I say a bad word, I gotta tap, you know what I mean? But I'm not gonna say it. So yeah, if your drawing is not as good as other people, don't worry, just go down to Stone Amperor and then just share with them your ideas, and they'll be able to draw it out for you. Okay, and you also can request for a marble floor polishing service from Stone Amperor. They do that for you. And What else do they do? Oh, they also offer services such as the supply and the installation of customizable aluminum kitchens and bathroom cabinets, which two things, aluminum kitchen perhaps, and bathroom cabinets, these two topics we're probably going to cover in our next coming episode. My seat, sorry, why can't I go up? Okay, anyway, technical issue. All right then, so guys, if you guys got anything else to say, if you guys got any comments, suggestions, once again, please drop me an email at z@renotalk.com. This show runs twice on Tuesday and Thursday. Please keep your comments coming in. Thank you so much once again. And yeah, it has been wonderful hosting this show for the third time. See you guys this Thursday. I'm Z. Bye-bye.